Hey, Keith, Casey's Garage. Today we're doing a different little video here. I'm going to show you how to make struffoli, or also called honey balls. This video took a year to make because I filmed most of it last year and I didn't film the final product. So, dumb me, I didn't get the last part of it. So I did it this year and I filmed it, and this is the video. So it's going to be Keith from the past and Keith from present and the kids and stuff like that. So we might have different haircuts and who knows what. But I just wanted to show you how we make them. You know, what ingredients we put in there. I'll put the ingredients down in the description below. So if anybody wants to make them, they can. It's a tradition that my grandmother used to make. She used to make this struffoli, and then my mom started making them after grandma passed, and now me and my sister are making them. And you know, last year we made a whole bunch. This year I didn't make that many. I can show you the final product, and then you'll see the video on how we got to here. So there we go. It's the final product. Put it in a little bag, and I put it in the bag also because the honey, you can see on the bottom here, it already seeped out. If you don't put it in a bag, you just put that in the little dish. Honey's gonna go all over the place, and it's gonna make a mess. All right, so this video is gonna show you how we made this struffoli, and I hope you enjoy it. And I did 2 cups of sifted flour. I took 2 cups of flour, put in here, sifted it into here. Then I put half a teaspoon of vanilla in there, just vanilla extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in there. Now we gotta get 3 eggs. So this is for 1 batch. So I don't have any eggs, so I'm gonna get 3 eggs, put them in here, mix them around a little bit, and then put them in and slowly add it and knead this up. So I cracked up 3 eggs in here. I'm just mixing around a little bit. And then I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna pour it in there and knead it around with my hands, and it's gonna be a big mess. So that's, I'm gonna show you once I get the dough going, because this is gonna be a mess. I won't be able to touch the camera. Look, it's stuck in the bowl. All right, so here's the dough, all finished.
Like almond.
It might smell like almond because
You don't read labels.
I didn't read the label. I just dumped the nearest ingredient that was sitting next to me. Instead of vanilla, it was almond.
The taste test.
I bet you I can go on the video and look.
I bet you did. It smells like almond. I can smell it.
Yeah, it smells really good. Is that a lot of almond that I put in there?
Half teaspoon?
Half, yeah. So anyway, so this is it. So now I'm gonna cut in little strips, and you can see what my wife's here doing, and she rolled some up. Rolled it like a pencil, and then into little balls. All right, so now you take some of this Crisco vegetable shortening. I'm doing a video so we can have it for when I'm not here anymore.
When you're not here anymore, not making these.
Oh, that's so mean. All right, heat it up. I don't know how much to put in. Massive scoops. How much do we usually use?
Just fill it so it sounds on the recipe, I think, so that the balls will be covered.
Yeah, it does, but there you go. You can see it's melting. And it might be enough. You just want enough in there so the dough floats. So this is melting. All the shortening. This looks like it's pretty good. Might have to add some later. That's good for right now. And I got one of these things. When we get, you'll scoop the balls out and stage a plate with paper towels, and we just dump them on there and let the grease come off of them and let them cool. So I poured them in, and they all clumped up, and then I separated them just by moving around. And I just let them sit here and boil for a little bit. Fry. Put the temperature down to like medium. Okay, so now they're floating and they're all brown. I'm gonna take them out. Let's do this. Move it over to here. I'll just take them out with this thing. Shake it a little bit. You can make these things any size you want. I like them bigger. Once you get the honey on them, you can scoop out some of the honey. It's pretty good. All right, so that's done. Making another batch, and then we go fry them. And this is what they look like when they're done. These were, I think, a little bit too big. So here we go. Here's them all rolled out. I'm gonna fry some more. And I got this in the background. So we wound up doing 3 batches. We used about half of this Crisco, which is a 6-pound bucket. So probably about 3 pounds is what we used. So a pound per batch, I guess. And this is the last. Oh, these are getting a little burnt. So these are done. So when I was doing the ingredients, this is vanilla. I accidentally put almond. So these are the almond ones. And yeah, you can taste a little bit different. We'll see what happens once we put the honey on, maybe. So now we're putting the honey on the Struffoli. So we put, what did you do, 1 bottle? Or half a bottle, about right?
It's supposed to be 2 cups.
2 cups of this stuff. Golden blossom. So you put 2 cups of honey, some sugar.
Well, it's a double batch, that's why it's 2 cups. Not normally 2 cups, it's 1 cup in a batch.
You heat it up on the pan here, and then you put your Struffoli in there. How much sugar did you put in there?
Tablespoon.
A tablespoon of sugar. And then you just smear it all around. Get the Struffoli honey balls all coated. Put them on the plate there. And then after they cool, you put a little bit, right, you let them cool for a little while. And then really, you're gonna put the sprinkles on now?
Yeah, that's how you do it, because you layer it, remember?
Okay.
This is how you did it last year.
This is the same year. This is the same video from last year.
You're an idiot.
I just forgot to
Post that?
No, I forgot to record the final part of putting the.
Yeah, you liked it
the honey
last
on
year.
it.
You did this where you put it in as you went.
So now you get all of the Struffoli has
Balls.
some-
All
the
your
Struffoli
honey balls have balls.
Yeah, all honey balls have little balls of sprinkles on them. This honey here, 40 ounces, $17, and we're in the year 2022. We'll see how much it is in the future.
Why don't you? Where's YouTube?
Yeah.
There you go. That's
And there we go. And there's the finished product of the Struffoli. Then you just take it and you like put it in the refrigerator for a little while, and then it's great. You want to close out the video?
Yeah,
Come
you
on.
want to say like and all that stuff?
Come on.
we got?
You're good at the like, subscribe.
Please don't like and subscribe and don't watch his videos.
Okay, well, here's the final result. I put them in a little bag. And then you can just give these, a little twist line there and you can give it to somebody. But there you go. That's it, the Struffoli for this year. Video actually took a year to make because I had all the footage of how to fry them and rolling them and doing all that kind of stuff. but I didn't do the last part of the putting the honey and the final product. So I didn't have this filmed, and we ate them all last year. So this year, that's, I had to film this part. So there's inconsistencies. Sorry, you might see the kids might have different haircuts. I might have a different haircut. Who knows? I don't know. But I got it done. I just wanted to put this out there for everybody. You know, if anybody wants to make these at home, I can put the recipe down in the bottom in the description also, so you'll have it there. But here it is. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you like this video. It's Christmas time, so you know that's something we do every Christmas, the tradition. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot, and see you later. Bye.